Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about our new topic, that is browser commands in WebDriverIO. Browser URL, get title and get URL and page source and maximize the window. These are the browser commands are presented. How we can able to achieve this all the things we'll see one by one. Okay, and here I'm going to create a new file. One more thing, clicking on a spec and clicking on the top, and I'm going to use for commands dot spec dot js. Okay, and here one by one we'll handle it. First we need to create for the describe, and here the suit commands and the function creation. Okay, and then we need to create for test case. For this again we need to use for title of that, and then we can create the function, and inside that we need to use for browser. First one is browser URL, right? For here we can able to create a browser, and if it will provide some IntelliJ values, like some of the uh, by default values, what are the things it is present, the method and all, it will provide it. Okay, for escaping that you can able to click for escape button. Okay, once you escape it will goes for that all the things, then click here and use for URL, which is the browser you are going to open. That particular browser we can able to get it. Okay, then you can able to use for https://www.google.com. Okay, this is my browser, and this is basically it will complete application work with async. Because of the latest version it is doing that, and you can able to use for async, and even you can able to use for await for URL and all. Okay, URL purpose, no need to bother about it. It will open, and then any command like first we need to see some URL getting and all. We need to check, means we need to use for async, and I'm going to use for some pass case, and here I'm going to use for 2000 seconds, and then I'm going to use for await, and here I'm going to use for console dot log, and here I'm going to use for title for title getting purpose, and browser a dot and get title. This is the function I'm going to use it, and this is called get title get information purpose, and URL purpose we need to use for this is the one, get URL. Page source I'll show you in the last. Okay, maximization window also similar thing we need to do it. Okay, await console dot log, and we need to specify here is URL, and here use for browser dot get URL. Okay, and then await console dot log, and maximize the browser. Maximize browser, it is waiting is not required, and here I can able to use for await browser dot maximize window. Maximize window, by default it will open small window. We'll see for small window, then we'll compare it whether it will work out or not. Okay, and this is called commands .spec.js file, and running that spec, and now it is opening the browser. See, now it is very small, right? Now you can able to see the spec. Now you can see the Google URL it is presented, and it is given for URL as well, URL as well as title of that. Okay, now I'm going to do for maximize the browser, maximizing a browser. Now again I'm going to use for the same spec to run to maximizing my window. I maximize the window, it is now okay. Is it disabled? Now you can see maximize. The window is maximized. Okay, you are able to see, right? Even one more time if you want, we can able to, because it is after passing the mention for wait some time and all it is doing. That's why we are not able to see properly. Then I moved into the browser into above pass condition. Then it is able to maximize that particular spec. Okay, this browser dot pass it is will work like a time dot sleep. How we are going to use for remaining programming language, right? Similar format. Okay, this is a maximizing window. Okay, then we have another one page source, get page source, right? And here I can able to use for await console.log, and now we are going to get for page source, and again I'm going to use for browser dot get page source and displaying for that. Okay, we are already seen for URL and title, both the cases it is presented in the result here. Okay, now you can see we can able to see in the console location page source as well. Now see entire page source it is displayed here. If you go the top, these all the things under page source location. Okay, this everything it is under coming for page source. This is a lengthy information will be presented. That's why it is showing this much of information. Okay, still it is the page source is presented because Google is having very a long length of page source information. That's why we are not able to see complete. Okay, because it's a very lengthy information it is provided. That's why our console is not able to print everything. Some of the things are gone. Okay, this way we can able to do it for this browser commands. Okay, I hope it this information will help you to learn for WebDriverIO. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.